Hello everyone and welcome to Moementum channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my approach to dividend stock investing, how I earned nearly $700 in dividends income last year and how you could do the same. Lastly, I'll show you my targets for this year and how I plan to double my dividend income in 2020. So let's get started. Just a quick review if you're new to investing. A dividend is a money that a company pays to its stockholders. It is a proportion of company's profits which is paid to the shareholders periodically. Depending on the stock or asset class you own, the dividends can be paid in different time intervals, including monthly, quarterly, biannually, or even annually. Not every company pays dividends. What's more, companies can change their dividend policies at any time. As investors become increasingly hungry for yield, however, more and more companies are initiating new dividends and raising their existing dividends. For me, I started investing in stock market in 2017. My investment strategy involved both active and passive investing. For active investing, I use Questrade to purchase stock and exchange traded funds. As for passive investing, which is the focus of this video, I chose Wealthsimple. My passive stock market investing has led to a very satisfactory result over time. In few seconds, I'm going to show you how I managed to earn approximately $700 Canadian in dividends through passive investing. What is really exciting to me is the growth of my dividend over the years. In fact, as my portfolio grew over time, so did my dividends payout. This shows you the importance of continuously saving and investing as a proven strategy towards financial freedom. If you are new to the investing world and think to yourself, you don't have enough money to save, I want you to not get discouraged. When I started investing, I began with saving small amounts, even as low as $5 or $10. But over time, I built the discipline and the habit of saving, and I turned it into a game for myself. It is now a measure of success for me and allows me to gauge how I am making progress towards building my wealth. Remember, at the end of the day, money is a tool to help you have the freedom to do whatever you desire to do at any time. And it allows you to reach your dreams. It is never too late to get started, and I hope this video encourages you to do the same. Alright, so allow me to show you what my passive stock market investing portfolio on Wealthsimple look like. As you could see, my portfolio consists of a number of different exchange traded funds, shortly known as ETFs. You could see the number of shares that I possess of each of these ETFs and their dividend yields. The dividend yields varies from the low of 1.33% for VUS to the high of 3.18% for IEFA. Majority of these exchange traded funds are equity and stocks because I've chosen an aggressive growth portfolio. The value of my portfolio grows in two ways. One, by earning dividends through these exchange traded funds, and the other one is through the growth in value of each of these asset classes. Given the focus of this video, which is on dividend investing, I'd like to show you the dividend payouts for each of these asset classes in 2019. You could see how the payout frequency changes for each one of these stocks. For instance, for VTI, you have a quarterly payout, whereas for some others such as EMV, IEFA, ACWV, as well as XEF, you only have biannual payments. Lastly, you also have QTIP, QTIP, and ZFL, where they pay out on a monthly basis. The dividend amount also varies depending on, of course, the value of each of these exchange traded funds and their currency. I've listed the currency associated with each of these ETF to give you an idea how this portfolio performed in 2019. Shows you the power of a diversified portfolio consisting of reputable and solid exchange traded funds, as it can bring you income on a monthly basis. Of course, there are certain months that your income may be higher through dividends and certain months that it might be lower. Yet again, you're going to receive that income on a consistent basis. Okay, so you're intrigued and want to get started with investing. How should you go about it? My recommendation is to start with a financial investment tool that allows you to invest in a low-cost exchange traded funds, one that charges minimal fee and manages your investment without letting emotions getting in the way. There are a number of such tools out there, and I encourage you to do your research. For me, based on my extensive research, I've chosen to invest with Wealthsimple, and I'm very pleased with their services as a client of them for the past 3 years. Wealthsimple is a robo-advisor that helps you create a long-term investing portfolio. Like many robo-advisors, Wealthsimple uses the idea of asset allocation based on your risk profile and your risk tolerance to put together a portfolio that is best for you. When you get started with Wealthsimple, it first asks you a number of questions, such as when you plan to retire and your ability to handle risks. Using this information, Wealthsimple prepares a portfolio based on different asset classes that is most suitable for you. The idea is to use low-cost exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to limit your fees. This means that more of your money is building your long-term wealth rather than going towards fees. Wealthsimple is considered one of the best financial services websites in the world. The company won the Webby Award for the best financial services websites. Not only that, it is also the largest robo-advisor here in Canada and has the highest count of assets under management. They also offer their services in UK and US. For Moementum channel viewers, Wealthsimple will manage the first $10,000 in your account for free for the first year. The link is provided in the description down below. But what are the fees after that first year? Up until you reach $100,000 in your account, your fee is 0.5% of your account value annually. Once you reach $100,000, your fee drops to 0.4% annually. This fee is a fraction of what actively managed funds charge. Remember, some actively managed accounts can charge 2% annually or more. The difference in fees may not sound much, but remember, even 1 or 2% difference in fees can easily add up to hundreds of thousands of dollars by the time you're ready to retire. This could not only change your retirement date, but whether you can retire at all. If you are a subscriber to our channel and have watched our previous videos, you know that I tend to turn this portfolio into a 6-digit account within the next couple of years. But what are my targets for 2020 for my Wealthsimple portfolio? I have two main targets for this account. First is to double the dividend income that I'm going to earn this year compared to last year, and to grow this portfolio to over $50,000 in value. I'll be sure to capture my progress towards these targets through other videos that I'll be posting on our channel Moementum. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope it was beneficial to you and encouraged you to get started with investing or continue to grow your investments over time. Appreciate it if you like and share this video with others who might benefit from it, and if you have not already, please subscribe to Moementum channel. We post videos every week related to personal development, finances, and stock market investing. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram through the links provided on the channel. Have a great day and see you next time.